What do you get if you cross a Google Home Mini with a tablet? You get the new Google Home Hub. Welcome to ICTO, and today we're going to review this new device from Google. So let's get this out of its box. So as you can see, it's a Google Home Hub with a 7-inch tablet attached to the speaker. So same speaker that we've had from previous ones, Google Home Mini, matches that as well, but this time has this 7-inch display, similar to an iPad Mini, attached to it as well to give you some visual feedback on what it is. Again, in usual sort of Google style, it's very well constructed, this. Very well put together, some nice rubberized finish on the bottom to stop it slipping. Got the usual sort of mute button up there, so you can actually protect the microphones, and a volume rocker on the side there as well. So very well put together. I think one of the things though that first strikes me from this is those huge bezels that it's got on it. These days, are they really necessary for something this sort of size? You know, a lot of people are moving to bezel-less things now, so it would have been nice to see not such huge bezels on this thing. Anyway, let's get this powered up and configured up, and then start seeing what it's capable of doing. Now, deliberately sped this bit up. It took over 5 minutes to get the Google Home Hub fully configured and updated, and I think we've got other things to be getting on with, so we'll skip this bit out. One of the most interesting features of the Google Home Hub is actually something that it doesn't have, which is a camera. Now, you might think on the front of it looks like it's got a camera, but if that's not a camera, what actually is it? It's actually an ambient light sensor that works with Google's Ambient EQ, and it senses the amount of light in the room and adjusts the display appropriately. So at night you're not blinded by it, and it blends into the background, dims nicely into the clock, and then wakes itself up as more light is given to it. A smart home dashboard called Home View means that Hub users can swipe down from the touchscreen to access every smart gadget they have, such as lights, locks, plugs, thermostat, cameras and speakers. This feature will also be starting to roll out to the Home apps on Android and iOS devices as well. Regarding the sound quality, I'd say it's on a par, if not a little bit better than the Home Mini, given the size of the speaker at the back. It's no match for its larger relatives, the Google Home or the Home Max, but it is good enough for what it's offering here. Even Google Maps makes an appearance on the Home Hub, where you can ask for directions and traffic reports and have those sent directly to your mobile phone. It will even provide personalised commuting routes based on the current congestion and the time you need to get to work. Another thing to also notice is Google's recent push to the digital well-being extends to the Home Hub too. You can set scheduled downtime, blocking responses from the assistant, as well as music, videos on the display, whilst leaving alarms and timers accessible. Filters can also restrict YouTube to certain content, such as that included in YouTube Kids, or block it entirely. They can also block explicit music tracks or all music, block voice calls, restrict the assistant's answers to basic things like weather, and block third-party app actions except for those specifically designed for families. These filters can be applied across the whole Google range, or on a single device, or for supervised accounts or guests. The Google Home Hub also becomes a welcome addition to the kitchen, with its ability to offer up step-by-step cooking instructions by simply giving it the command, "OK, show me the recipes for," and then just select the recipe from the list to be guided through step-by-step instructions. Like the other members of the Google Home family, you're also able to do phone dialing from the speaker too. and this uses the contacts that are already in your mobile phone. This has also been extended to the use of Google Duo for making audio and video calls. Just bear in mind though that there isn't a camera on top of this, so although you can see them, they can't see you if you're making a video call. In conclusion, I do actually really like this addition to the Google Home family, and for £139 here in the UK, it's actually not an expensive product to add to your home. So thanks guys, I hope you've enjoyed this short video and this short review on the Google Home Hub. If you like it, please give us a thumbs up. If you haven't already done so, please hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you.